With the overall shape of the CPU case completed, we can now add the overall shapes for the trackpad, keyboard, and speakers. To do this, we first need to create a working plane on the top face of the CPU case. From the 3D modeling toolset, select the Set Working Plane tool. Be sure the second mode, Planar Face mode, is enabled in the toolbar. Then, move the pointer to the center of the CPU case. Once the cursor cue center is displayed, click once to set the working plane. Use the blue highlighting as a visual reference so as not to set the working plane to the bottom face of the extrude. To create the trackpad, double-click the Rounded Rectangle tool in the Basic palette. In the Create Object dialog box, set the width field to 4.5 inches and the height to 3 inches. Next, notice the box position control is rotated to reflect the current view, right isometric. Choose the bottom center point from the box position controls, which is the center point closest to the W. Then choose Symmetrical from the corner drop-down menu. Set the diameter X field to 0.25 inches, and the diameter Y value will update to match it since the corners are set to be symmetrical. Check Position at Next Click if not already selected, and click OK. To place the rounded rectangle, move your cursor along the bottom left edge on the top surface of the CPU case until you see the midpoint cursor cue. Click to set the rounded rectangle. This is the overall shape for the trackpad. At the moment, the trackpad and CPU have a common edge. Realistically, however, the trackpad bottom edge would be offset from the CPU case's edge. So let's move the trackpad away from the edge some. Switch to the Selection tool in the Basic Tool palette and select the trackpad if it is not already selected. Now, move the pointer along the common edge of the CPU case and trackpad until the pointer changes to a cross and the cursor cue midpoint is displayed. Press and hold your mouse button to pick up and move the trackpad based on the selected point. We're going to move the trackpad 1 inch away from the CPU case edge. To do this, with the mouse button still held down, press the Tab key until you enter the delta Y field. Then enter 1 inch and hit Enter to lock in the value. Move the pointer along the green dashed axis, the Y-axis, until the cursor cued object, or Y, or a line Y is displayed. Then release the mouse button to move the trackpad.